Kripsol KLX is a complete pool controller and chlor production unit all in one. It can control the electrolysis cell, pump for acid, pool lights, and the filtration pump. Go to your KLX unit and press OK to see the menu. Go to Filtration, and here you can change the filtration mode to Auto, Smart, or Manual. In Auto, you can select the time in hours and minutes in which the filtration should occur. Press the side arrow to edit the time. Using the arrows up and down, you can select hours or minutes, and using the side arrows, you can adjust the time. Smart mode is designed to manage the daily filtration hours depending on the water temperature. You can set the maximum hours you want the pump to run, for example 8 hours, and a minimum and max temperature, for example 10 and 25 degrees. Depending on the water temperature, the smart mode will adjust automatically how many hours the pump will run. The higher the temperature, the longer the pump runs. This system automatically adjusts the filtration hours to save energy and avoid having to change the time periods manually. On the main menu, you can find the option Lighting. Here you can select Auto or Manual mode. In Auto, you can select the time intervals and how frequently the light turns on and off. Use the side arrows to change the values. Here you can also change the color of the RGB light. The Kripsol KLX has a temperature set, Redox set, and a pH set that can be purchased as accessories. The temperature set will measure the water temperature that can be seen on the KLX display and mobile app. The Redox set will control the electrolysis cell, and the pH set will control the acid dosing pump. The flow control is also an accessory. It will prevent the acid pump to dose when there is no flow in the pipes, for example when the filter pump is off. The flow control comes with all the fittings you need for mounting. On the main menu you can find the Measures option. Here you can proceed to the pH calibration. Select Buffer and just follow the instructions on the screen to calibrate the pH sensor. Press the back button and select Offset. Here you can calibrate without using the buffer solutions. This is only recommended for small deviations when you do a manual pH water test. Go back to the Measures menu and select Redox Calibration. To calibrate the Redox sensor, select Buffer and just follow the instructions on the screen. Thanks to the Wi-Fi module accessory, you can control the KLX with your mobile. In the app, you can manage filtration times, lights, and water adjustments. The Wi-Fi module can be purchased separately. The pH set includes all you need to install it: pH sensor, sensor holder, pH chip, injection valve, tubes, and a pH pump. The pH pump comes with a peristaltic tube that is super easy to change. A swimming pool should have a pH level of around 7 to 7.4. By dosing acid, the dosing pump will keep the right levels of pH in your pool. The Redox set also includes all you need to install: sensor, sensor holder, and chip. This set will measure the redox potential, or the chlor content, in the water, and will start the electrolysis cell when the redox potential is lower than the desired set point. This will allow you to swim safely in your pool water. Neutral and 468 MV are solutions for calibrating the redox sensor. pH 10 and pH 7 are solutions for the pH sensor. The electrolysis cell produces an effective amount of chlor that lets you swim safely. The chlor allows your pool water to remain clean and soft for a comfortable and safe bathing experience. Overall, the Kripsol KLX is a great chemistry and pool controller for any pool owner. For more information, contact your pool expert.